In today's video, we will try to understand what is order by clause in SQL and how to use it. If I have to explain you in one line what is order by clause, then it is sorting of the query output. Basically, we will make use of the order by to sort the output of your query. So as you can see, I have created a very simple table here, which is employees table. This has got 10 records and it has got employees records, first name, last name, department, salary and hire date. Now I will explain you how do we exactly make use of the order by clause. So let's say we want to sort this table based on the first name. So what I will do is select star from employees, order by first name. The first underscore name I will select. So the moment I run this query, as you can see, the values have been sorted basis the first name. So there's one more thing that we understand is by default, these values are getting sorted basis the ascending order. So by default, order by clause will sort the values basis the ascending order. Let's say I want to sort basis the descending order. So I'll just put this DESC here, that is descending. And if I run this, the Vikram should come first. Okay. So let's see if that happens. So I'll just run this query. And as you can see, now this is in the descending order. So that means by default SQL will sort the values in ascending order. Now let's say I want to sort these values basis the department. So what I will do, I'll just put department here, and then if I run the query, I can see that the values are sorted basis the department. But let's say I want to sort these values on the basis of two columns. So currently I have sorted on the basis of department, but let's say I want to further sort these values on the basis of first name. That means department sorting is done, but within the department there are same values. For instance, there are two sales values, there are three IT departments. So within the sales, let's say I want to sort again on the basis of first name, okay, in the ascending order. So how do I do that? I will simply say that order by department DESC, comma, first name ASC. That means we will sort on the basis of first name in the ascending order. So what will happen? This will remain exactly same, but this Neha will come first, Rahul will come later on, and as we can see, there are three values for IT. So ideally Ankit should come first, then Amit, and then Rohan. Let's see if this really happens. So I'll just run this query and execute this. And now, as we can see, we have got the expected output that firstly, it's sorted based on department. Once this sorting is done, if there are any similar values in this department, then it will prioritize the first name. That is the second column, whatever we are mentioning, it will prioritize that. We can also do the same thing for hire date also. Let's say I want to sort basis hire date. I'll just select that, and if I run this, then firstly it will prioritize department, then it will prioritize the hire date for the filtering. So as we can see, currently it is showing 2019, 2019 and 2023. Okay. So now I'll just run this query and let's see what is the output when hire date is the second priority for sorting. So this sorting has happened, and then this is in the ascending order. So as we can see, this date comes first, this date comes later. Similarly, this date comes first, and so on. So as we can see, the sorting has happened basis the hire date. Okay. So this is how we make use of the order by clause in SQL. Please make sure that you practice this. Thank you so much for watching.